In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Open to Work on LinkedIn. If you no longer want the Open to Work badge or job preference section showing on your LinkedIn profile, the good news is that it's very quick to remove. You can do it directly from your profile page in just a few taps or clicks. This is useful if you've already found a job, if you want to make your profile look more general again, or if you simply don't want recruiters to see that setting anymore. Start by logging into LinkedIn and looking at the top right corner of the screen. There, click on the Me icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your account and profile options. From that drop-down, select View Profile. This will take you straight to your main LinkedIn profile page where you can manage the sections that are visible to others. Once you're on your profile, look for the Job Preferences section. This is the area connected to the Open to Work feature. Depending on the version of LinkedIn you're using, it may appear near the top of your profile, usually around your intro section. Take a moment to find it and then click the Edit option. This is typically shown as a pencil icon, which allows you to update or manage that section. After opening the Edit window, you'll have the option to remove or delete the job preferences. Go ahead and delete that section. Once you confirm the change, the Open to Work feature will be removed from your profile. And that's it. Your profile will no longer display the Open to Work setting. If LinkedIn takes a few seconds to refresh, that's completely normal, so give it a moment and check your profile again to make sure the change has been applied. A quick tip before you leave: if you're making updates to your LinkedIn profile, it can be a good idea to review the rest of your profile as well, especially your headline, current role, and visibility settings, just to make sure everything reflects how you want to present yourself. So again, all you need to do is go to the Me menu, open View Profile, find your Job Preferences section, edit it, and delete it. That's the full process for removing Open to Work on LinkedIn.